Athaki aya Brian Mathenge kuma Naikuru, Isaiah Pasitau, Denze Omodi kuma Kajiado na Derrick Okoth marari na utuko matakariganirwo muthenya waira makiugirwo uhoro ni aria makoretwo mamanyitiriire. Ana aya magitariria gikeno kiao guku makirira a Kenya na nyumba ciao akuhuthira mweke uyu wa kugerio wega.
It's a very good opportunity and nimesikia poa tu. So sasa tukienda kwenda huko we hope for the best. Huko nikienda huko mimi naenda kujaribu. Naenda kumake Kajiado County very proud.
At least ball one day nipeleke somewhere sijaifika, and it's a dream may come true. I'll make sure that I do my best to represent Manabe, to represent Kenya.
Mweke uyu ana aya makiwona thutha wa gukorwo matamburitwo hingo ya hibitano cia Manabe iria ciathaganirio kaunti-ini cia Naikuru na Kajiado mwambĩrĩrio-inĩ wa mwaka uyu.
I'm very grateful of them because they come from the lowest team to where they are. The same 4 boys have been also training. All of them have been training in Tusker FC until Friday last week. We want the boys, when they go, they have courses. We don't want them to go and just do football. We just want them to go and choose which another course they can be doing when they are not in training.
Igongona riri rigikinyo ni amwe a anyitemi muthako-ini wa mubira wa maguru hamwe nao coaches na athaki a tene bũrũri-ini.
Ni kitu important sana kwa sababu as a coach kama naweza kuwa nakuza vijana alafu I don't see them progressing to the higher levels, inakuwa demoralizing. So I want to believe that platform kama hizi ni very important. So we would wish many more to come.
I'm considering Egypt as a rare thing because if you look at the Egyptian clubs and the Egyptian League is the best league in Africa, if I'm not wrong, or the North African leagues. Look at the clubs like Al Ahly, Zamalek. So it's a big opportunity for these young boys.
Anaya makiumagaraga mbeu njithi ni yuritio gwikirira kio mawira-ini mao makiria uthaki-ini. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Inooro TV, njitagwo Mugure wa Karuiru.